To accept in-person payments at your checkout, store, or clinic, you need the Helcim POS app and hardware. To do that, order the smart terminal or the card reader from the equipment section located in your back office tools. Or if you're new to Helcim, an action block on the dashboard will prompt you to order an equipment. Here, you can see the different options and payment plans for each hardware. Once you place your order, it will be shipped within 7 business days. Once you receive it, you will find a QR code in the packaging, or you can use this link. To set up your Helcim Smart Terminal, simply follow the setup wizard to configure your device. Once done, you can proceed to log into your Helcim account to start processing payments instantly. To set up your Helcim card reader, you must first download the Helcim app on your laptop, tablet, or mobile phone. Then, log into your Helcim account to begin pairing it via Bluetooth or USB. And that's it! You're now ready to accept in-person payments.